This science quiz will test how well you understand the world around you. From a space and the human body to everyday science, let's see how many you can get right. Let's start it. Which planet is known as the red planet? Venus, Mars, or Jupiter? Yes, Mars is the right answer. What gas do plants absorb? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, or nitrogen? The right answer is carbon dioxide. What is the boiling point of water? 90 degree, 100 degree, or 120 degree? The answer is 100 degree. Which organ pumps blood? Lungs, brain, or heart? Heart is the right choice. What force pulls object to earth? Gravity, friction, or magnetism? Gravity is the right answer. Which part of plant makes food? Root, leaf, or stem? Leaf is the correct choice. What do humans breathe in? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, or hydrogen? Yes, it's oxygen. Largest planet in solar system? Saturn, Jupiter, or Earth? Jupiter is the correct answer. How many bones in human body? 206, 201, 210. Yes, A is a correct answer. Center of an atom is called electron, proton, or nucleus. Nucleus is the correct choice. Which vitamin from sunlight? A, C, or D? Yes, it's D. Liquid metal at room temperature? Iron, mercury, or copper? If you choose mercury, you are right. What is H2O? Hydrogen, water, or oxygen? The answer is water. Which organ helps breathing? Heart, lungs, or liver? Fastest land animal? Cheetah, lion, or tiger? The correct answer is cheetah. Earth's natural satellite? Mars, Moon, or Sun? Yes, it's Moon. What gas causes rust? Oxygen, nitrogen, or hydrogen? Yes, it's oxygen. Which sense organ for smell? Eye, nose, or ear? If you choose nose, you are right. Hardest natural substance? Gold, iron, or diamond? Diamond is the right answer. What do bees collect? Milk, nectar, or water? Option B is correct. Which planet has rings? Mars, Venus, or Saturn? Unit of force? Joule, Newton, or watt? Yes, it's Newton. Which organ filters blood? Heart, kidney, or lung? Yes, kidney filter the blood. What gas do humans exhale? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide? The right answer is carbon dioxide. Which animal is amphibian? Frog, snake, or dog? Yes, it's frog. Speed of light is fastest in water, air or vacuum. Yes, the answer is vacuum. Which part controls brain function? Cerebrum, stomach or heart? It's cerebrum. What causes tides? Wind, moon or sun? Yes, the correct answer is moon. Which vitamin helps vision? A, B or vitamin D? Yes, vitamin A is the right answer. What is freezing point of water? 0 degree, 10 degree or 5 degree? The right answer is 0 degree. Which metal is best conductor? Silver, iron or lead? Yes, silver is the best conductor. What organ stores bile? Liver, gallbladder, kidney? Yes, mercury. What type of energy is sound? Mechanical, heat or light? If you choose mechanical, you are right. Which blood cell fight diseases? Red blood cell, white blood cell or platelets? The right answer is white blood cell. Which gas used in balloon? Oxygen, helium or nitrogen? Yes, helium used in balloon. Which part protects brain? Rib, skull or a spine? A skull protects the brain. Which organ controls body balance? Brain, ear or heart? Right answer is ear. Main source of energy for Earth? Moon, sun or stars? Sun is the right choice. What is plant breathing process? Respiration, photosynthesis or digestion? Yes, respiration. What causes earthquake? Which vitamin helps blood clotting? Vitamin C, vitamin K or vitamin D? Yes, vitamin K is the right answer. Study of plant is called zoology, botany or biology? Yes, the right answer is botany. Which animal is called sheep of desert? Horse, camel or donkey? What organ control hormones? Pancreas, brain or liver? The right answer is pancreas. Which gas spots burning? Oxygen, carbon or nitrogen? Oxygen spots burning. Which part of eye helps focus? Retina, lens or iris? Yes, it's lens. What do we call animal babies? Offspring is the correct option. Study of stars is called astrology, astronomy or geography? The answer is astronomy. The last question. Which organ removes toxins? Liver, lung or heart? Yes, it's liver. Comment your score and subscribe the channel.